Hiya, my name is Ashton and I work for the marketing department, and with the current situation obviously it's really important that we keep ourselves busy, we keep our minds active. So we got in touch with Nikki, who's our programme area manager, and she sent us over some recipes that are really easy to do and can be done from your own home kitchen. Today we're making brownies. You can find this recipe either in the post or there should be a picture somewhere attached somewhere around, so you can have a look at that. I've measured out all of my dry things. Oh, I need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I have to turn my oven on with this because the knob's fallen off. First thing we need to do is melt this butter in a pan. I might chop it up. So now that it's mostly melted, I'm gonna add our cocoa powder, which is this one, and then make it into a liquidy chocolate thing. Probably should have sieved it, huh? Well, so this is currently what we're dealing with. Some chocolatey goodness. So now we need to beat eggs in a separate bowl and then add it to the chocolate. Okay? Oh god, I feel like this is gonna be the moment I screw it all up. Oh, I've got egg on my phone. Okay, right. Eggs in the bowl with the chocolate. I don't know if this is correct. Everything I was told, I followed the instructions, but it's gone like this. And I don't know why. I don't know what I've done. We'll just carry on. Wow, it's almost a brownie. Well, not really. This is what it looks like now. It's sort of and sieve in your flour. Heart-shaped baking tin. So I'm going to line this baking tray, but I don't have any greaseproof paper and I didn't have any in the shops. So we're going with a bit of butter and some flour, because that is what someone who knows how to bake told me I should do. So I'm going to do that. Okay, right. Now all we have to do is bake the brownies. Oh no, I need to put the brownie mixture into the tin. That would help, but it's quite a lot of brownie. Here is our heart-shaped brownie. I'm really proud of myself. This now needs to cook at 180 for 20 minutes. Okay, it's brownie removal from the oven time. It's, oh my god, I almost chopped it. It's puffed up nicely and it's got some like cracks on.
It's actually alright.
Yes.
Let's go 8 out of 10.
That's pretty good. So yeah, that's me making a brownie. You can find the recipe, again, like I said, on the post somewhere. If you do attempt this recipe, do let us know. Tag us in it if you do make it in your final results. Hopefully you can do better than I can. And keep a lookout on the pages for more recipes that we'll be posting a little bit later on. Make sure you're practicing prevention and you're staying safe. Obviously we wish you all the best from us to you. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking brownies.